The Suncoast Campaign for Grade Level Reading is bringing Remake Learning Days to Charlotte, DeSoto, Manatee, and Sarasota counties. And we want you to be part of it.
Why doesn't it close?
Suncoast Remake Learning Days is a 10-day festival of free hands-on learning events for children and families. Think of it as the world's largest multi-venue open house for hands-on learning from April 29th to May 8th. 150 Suncoast Remake Learning Days events are organized by different learning themes, such as the arts, makerspaces, outdoor learning, science, technology, and youth voice.
Join us as we forge connections between businesses, arts organizations, museums, libraries, schools, colleges, universities, faith-based organizations, out-of-school organizations, and child care centers. We are highlighting the important role families and caregivers have in the process of learning and affirming that we are working together towards a greater good and greater outcomes for our children and families. Thanks to the generosity of the Patterson Foundation, these multi-generational hands-on learning experiences will be robust, accessible, open to the public, and all events are free.
Use this QR code to view all of the events that will be happening in our 4-county region, or visit suncoastremakelearningdays.org.